the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about YouTube premieres. So if you guys don't know what this feature is, don't feel bad. I really don't know much about it either, but this video is going to show you guys what it is and what it does and stuff like that and whatnot. So if you guys want to access YouTube premieres, and if you guys want to check it out and whatever and learn more about it, only thing you do is click on that camera button right here, and you guys click on upload video, and you guys will be brought to the this page right here where you guys upload videos and stuff like that. You know, y'all be brought here, and then on the bottom right, you guys will see premieres at the bottom right there, and you guys can learn more about it. And if you guys want to get like a quick description of what it does, it says build the hype around your next video release. Premieres make it easy to promote your video and engage with fans through live chat. So that's pretty cool. So I guess it's like some live stream type of thing or whatever. So if you guys click on learn more, you guys will be taken to this page right here. It will be a support page for YouTube premieres, and I suggest you guys check this out if you guys are interested. This will be linked in the description box of this video, so go check it out if you guys are interested. So it says YouTube premieres is a feature that lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together, much like a movie or TV show premiere. Premiering your video allows you to schedule a video upload and to create buzz around the video with a shareable watch page. Eligible requirements of what it says. We are initially launching this feature to a small group of creators, and we'll be rolling out more broadly soon. So only a small number of people have this feature, and I am one of those people that have this feature. So I am lucky with that. So you know, it's pretty cool. So if you guys don't have this feature yet, be patient, guys. It'll be coming your way eventually, so be patient. It's rolling out in phases and stuff like that. So right now only a small number of people have this, including myself. It says premiering, it says like this little note here, it says premiering a video can only be done on desktop. So if you guys want to premiere a video, it can only be done on desktop for right now. Do keep that in mind. But however, your viewers can watch the premiere on any device, desktop, iOS, Android, you know, any device. But the premiere thing has to be done on desktop, guys. So do keep that in mind. Hopefully they'll move it to mobile devices eventually. So you know, just yeah. And if you guys want to check out that video, just check it out. So yeah. Premiere a video. This might be a long video, guys, so do keep that in mind. So yeah, it says what you guys want to do is premiere a video. What you do is click on upload at the top of the page right here. I mean, well, it's not there now because I'm on the support page for Google here. Click on the camera button, click on upload video, and then click on schedule in the drop down. Note that selecting public will prompt the premiere to start immediately after the video is on uploading. Unlisted videos cannot be premiered. Select the video you would like to upload from your computer. On the next page, toggle on premiere. Select the date and time of your premiere. When the video is on processing, click premiere at the top right corner of the click premiere in the top right hand corner. Okay. Before premiere starts, since a public watch page is created, the video will eventually premiere on this watch page. A tune-in notification is sent around 30 minutes before the start of a premiere to viewers who have opted in to receive notifications. Bell icon, that's very important to click on the bell icon, guys. So if you guys ain't clicked on the bell icon for my channel yet, please click on the bell icon and click all the notifications, okay? Please click on the bell icon for my channel if you guys ain't done so. It's very important, guys, so you guys know when I go when I make videos and stuff like that. So the bell icon is very important, so click that bell icon if you have not done so already. Second notification is sent at the start, letting viewers know the premiere is starting. Learn more about managing the notifications. It says you and your audience can interact and comment, live chat, and if enabled, super chat. I don't have super chat enabled on mine because I don't have, you know, I don't have all that shit set up to get paid through YouTube and nothing like that. So if I were to do a live stream, I wouldn't have super chats enabled, but you know, it is what it is. And here's a tip that you guys might want to keep in mind. It says viewers are able to set reminders for premieres. Encourage them to set a reminder on the watch page via a pinned comment in the description or over chat. So like I said, this video could be a long video, so hoping that you guys will enjoy this video. So yeah, we'll when the premiere starts, a countdown will appear during the first 2 minutes of the premiere. When the countdown is over, viewers watch the video together in real time. It says here, listen to this, guys. Viewers can't the viewers can't scrub forward, but they can scrub backwards during the stream. So I'm guessing what that means is, I guess you can't fast forward through the stream, obviously, because it's a live stream, but you can go back in the stream and watch it. Basically what that means is you guys can't fast forward through the stream, obviously, because if it's a live stream, it's live. So you know, yeah, but you can go backwards in the stream if you want to. So there is a concurrent viewer count that shows the number of viewers watching. You and your audience can interact and comment, live chat, and if enabled, super chat. So like I said, I don't have super chat enabled on my channel because I don't get paid through YouTube or nothing like that. I do this for fun. So you know, that'd be great. That'd be great. People would donate to my channel. It'd be great if I had that option. It'd be great. You know, I would appreciate all the donations if I were to have super chats enabled, and if I did actually do live streams and stuff like that, I would appreciate all the donations I would get from a super chat in the live stream if I were to have that option enabled. So yeah. So it says when the premiere is over, the video remains on your channel as a regular upload. Note, after the premiere, the countdown won't be included in your video. So after the premiere is over, the video is going to be saved as a regular video on your channel, so that's pretty cool. It says chat replay is available for viewers who want to experience the premiere chat after it has ended. You can disable chat at any time. So yeah, guys can do that. Premiere watch page. This is what the watch page would look like. This is just an example, guys. This video here. That's probably a real video, I'm not really sure. Premiere watch page. Once a premiere is scheduled, a shareable and public watch page is created. This page shows the video metadata, including title, description, and thumbnail, and address. In addition, the video will eventually premiere on this watch page URL. Viewers can start interacting through comments and live chat before and during the premiere. So one, you got the live chat available right there. Your live chat's right here, guys. If you guys have ever live streamed on a desktop before, y'all guys know all about this stuff right here. I really don't have to tell you. I really don't have to tell you guys this, but I'm gonna. All right. So you guys have the live chat right here. And you guys got like donations and super chats if you guys have that feature enabled on your channel. 2, premiere date and watch time plus reminder button, which is right here. And then you got number of people watching on premiere right there. So I'll basically have your title and your watch people watching there. It says promote your watch page. Have a clear metadata about the video. Make a custom thumbnail. This will be the main image viewers will see when they come to the watch page. Tease the video by sharing the watch page URL in the community post or via other social networks. Make an appearance. Let the viewers know in the comments if you will be there during the premiere to chat. Monetizing your premiere, so you can monetize your premieres, so that's nice. There are a few ways you can earn money from premiering a video. Ads. Channels with monetization set up on YouTube will be able to serve automatic pre-rolled ads during the premiere. Mid-roll ads are not available during the premiere. Once the premiere is over, both automatic pre-roll ads and mid-roll ads will work as they do on normal uploads. Super Chat. Enabling Super Chat lets your viewers purchase chat messages to highlight their messages and stand out in chat. You can enable Super Chat and chat with viewers before and during the premiere. Channel memberships. If eligible, you can take advantage of channel membership perks such as members only live chat, custom emoji, and loyal badges. So yeah, I'm guessing that's like for like live streams and shit like that. Frequently asked questions. So if you guys want to check out this shit here, I might just skim through this. So like I said, if you guys want to check this out, this will be linked in the description box of this video. It says what happens to a video after it has been premiered. After a video is premiered, it remains on your channel like a normal upload. Chat replay is available for viewers who want to experience the premiere chat after it has ended. So it will be, after the premiere is done, it will be saved as a regular video on your channel, and you can have chat replay if you want on there. How do viewers find my premiere? A public URL is created when the watch page is created. You can share this URL before, during, or after the premiere to share the video. Can I schedule a premiere to start immediately? Yes, if you want your video to be available immediately. Mark it as public when selecting a privacy setting, which will start the premiere as soon as the video is done processing. What analytics are available for premiere? Creators can view analytics related to premiere using our standard YTA tool. I guess that's the YouTube Analytics tool there. Once published, can I unselect the toggle for premiere and make this a standard upload? No, not once the video is published. Will comments from the premiere remain on the video after it is over? Yes. Will view count from the premiere transfer over to the video after the premiere is over? Yes. How will viewers discover my premieres? Premieres show up across YouTube's discovery services just like normal uploads, including search, the homepage, what's next, and video recommendations. In addition, because of the watch page is public before the premiere begins, you can share the public page URL on social media, put it in your channel trailer, or generally promote it in whatever way you like. How will viewers visually distinguish videos that are live, premieres, or regular uploads? Videos that are going to be premiered or are actively premiering will have a special badging to visually distinguish them from uploads and live streams. So that's basically like a live stream thing. That's what this thing is. So I mean, this is pretty cool, I guess. You know what I'm saying? You guys want to check out this feature? You gotta do it from your desktop. You guys go upload a video. I would show you guys that, but I don't have no videos on my computer right now because I've deleted all my every time I upload a video and every time I upload a video and it's done uploading and all that, I delete the video off my computer. I deleted it. So if you guys upload a video, you guys will see it. You guys will see a YouTube Premiere thing on the upload page. If you guys you know, upload your video and stuff like that, and you guys once the video is uploaded, you guys will see a Premiere thing on the right side here, and you guys can have the option to turn it on and off and all that stuff. And I mean, I might show you guys that in another video or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it there on YouTube Premiere. So it's basically it's kind of like a live stream type of thing, I guess. So you can actually watch the video together with your audience, which is pretty interesting. So think of it as like a movie premiere or a TV show premiere. Think about it like that. Think about it as like a movie premiere. Think about it like that. You know what I'm saying? People can donate to your channel and stuff like that, super chats and all that good stuff. If you had that feature enabled on your channel, I don't have it enabled on my channel because I don't get paid. I don't get monetized or nothing like that. So, you know, well, I have it on my channels. I have the YouTube Premiere thing on my channel. If you guys don't have it yet, don't freak out, guys. It's available to a small number of people right now. And like I said, if you guys want to check it out, go to uploads, go to premieres, and you guys will be brought here. If you guys click on learn more, and you guys will be brought here. Excuse me. And yeah, and you guys can check out the other stuff here if you guys don't want to or whatever. Like I said, the premiering a video can only be done on desktop, but you know your audience can view it on any device, mobile phone, tablet, computer, doesn't matter, gaming system, doesn't matter. You can view it on any device that can watch YouTube. They can watch it on there, but you can only premiere the video on desktop for now. So do keep that in mind. And yeah, if you guys want to check this out, the link to this will be in the description of this video. And if you guys have this YouTube Premieres feature, let me know if you guys have it or not. If you guys want to see if you have it, all you do, like I said, is go to your YouTube on desktop, click on the camera icon, click on upload video, and you guys will be watching this page right here, obviously, and you guys should see a thing down here that says premieres, and you guys should see that. If you guys see that, that means that you guys have it. So you click on this right here, and you guys will be able to learn more about it. So that is pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.